Hi, I'm Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. This has been a difficult year for all of us, and I know a difficult year for all of our early childhood care providers. I have a resolution today that recognizes May as Early Childhood Educators Week in Fairfax County, but more importantly, I want to personally thank you for your perseverance and work throughout this pandemic on the front lines serving our community. Our resolution reads, whereas the Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services Office for Children and organizations nationwide recognize early childhood educators in May, and whereas early childhood educators in Fairfax County work in nearly 2,000 early childhood and school-age development and learning programs throughout the county, including family child care homes, child care centers, and preschools, serving thousands of children from birth to elementary school. And whereas early childhood educators work in partnership with families to support children's learning and development, and whereas the education and care provided by early childhood educators promote children's school readiness and ongoing success in school and life, and whereas early childhood educators are an essential part of our community, supporting working families and contributing to the economic well-being of the county. And whereas early childhood educators make a positive difference in the lives of children, families, and our community. And whereas early childhood educators have worked tirelessly throughout the pandemic, with many programs remaining open to serve essential workers, and many programs reopening shortly after it began to support families who needed child care to continue working, and have adapted their programs to meet new COVID-19 health and safety protocols. Whereas the county's economic recovery from the pandemic is contingent upon families having access to high quality, affordable child care. Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim May 2nd through 8th, 2021 as Early Childhood Educators Week in Fairfax County, and urges all residents to recognize early childhood educators for their important work in the community.